Hi, this is a quick review about Team Keto's products. Some are my favorites of all time. So the very first thing that I really love from Team Keto is the collagen peptide protein powder. Now, I know it's very frustrating when you cannot find a protein powder that tastes good, just in water even, and Team Keto has done it. Even with water, with milk, with cream, with my coffee, it is absolutely delicious. And one of the side benefits that I really appreciate is the help in skin, hair, and nails, and nail growth and nail strength. When I've done keto without this supplement, my nails feel really brittle and thin, and they bend backwards, and couldn't really figure out why. And since starting with the collagen peptides from Team Keto, my nails have actually gotten much stronger to where they were before I had started keto. So this is absolutely my favorite product from Team Keto. Give it a try.